If you're trading first light beacon correctly, psychology should almost disappear. If you're emotional while trading FLB, something is already wrong, and it's not your mindset. Most traders think psychology is about staying calm, being patient, or having discipline. But here's the reality. Psychology issues only show up when traders are uncertain. Uncertain about entry, uncertain about risk, uncertain about where they're wrong. First Light Beacon was built to remove uncertainty, not to give you confidence, but to give you clarity. The First Light Beacon is not a signal system. It is a structural order flow mapping tool. Its only job is to answer one question. Is this a location where institutions are likely active? Or is this noise? When structure exists, risk becomes defined. When risk is defined, psychology has no leverage. So with the First Light Beacon, risk is not a number of ticks. Risk is structural invalidation. If price accepts beyond the end cap, if price breaks the zone, or if structure fails, the trade is wrong. Period. There's no debating, there's no hoping, there's no managing emotions. That's why the FLB trades feel mechanical, because the market tells you when you're wrong. When the FLB traders struggle psychologically, it's usually for one of three reasons. 1, they're trading outside structure. 2, they're oversizing because the setup looks perfect. Or 3, they're trading between levels instead of at levels. That's not First Light Beacon. That's gambling with the First Light Beacon on your chart. End cap rejection trades are powerful for one reason. They define risk before you even enter. The end cap is your line in the sand. If price holds, you participate. If price fails, you exit. There is no emotional decision involved. You are not predicting, you're reacting to structure. Prop firms don't fund traders because they're right a lot. They fund traders who don't self-destruct. The First Light Beacon aligns perfectly with prop firm rules because it forces small losses, clear invalidation, and consistent execution. You're not trying to win big, you're trying to lose small, repeatedly. The goal of the First Light Beacon is not confidence. The goal is predictability. When your worst case outcome is known before entry, fear disappears. When fear disappears, discipline becomes automatic. If the First Light Beacon feels stressful to trade, you're either trading too often, too big, or in the wrong location. The FLB doesn't create pressure. Bad usage does. Psychology doesn't make traders profitable. Structure does. The First Light Beacon gives you structure. Your only job is to respect it. Trade location, control risk, let the rest take care of itself.